Hello mga ka-YouTube, this is Mami Alona signing in sa aking YouTube channel guys. Medyo maingay si Apo. Flex ko lang sa inyo yung aming lunch for today. This is ginataang kalabasa. Simple cooking lang guys. And because we are only 3 in the house, ang aking partner at ang aking Apo. Ayan guys, ang aming mag-asawa, kaming dalawa, is this vegan longganisa and ginataan. And for my little granny boy, yan, hotdog jumbo, pure foods at bacon naman, guys. Bacon naman. O, ito guys, ayan, binili ng aking second child. At saka yan guys, syempre, luto lagi ni mami ay masarap. Diba? Hindi yan tinipid sa gata, guys. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mami Alona. I love you guys. Thank you for all my subscribers. God bless everyone. Stay healthy and may na good Lord bless and always protect you. Bye!